Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play band drums. First, familiarize yourself with the drum kit's main parts, like the bass drum, snare, and cymbals. Next, focus on your posture. Sit upright with your feet flat. Hold your drumsticks with a relaxed grip, allowing for rebound. Begin by practicing basic strokes on a practice pad to develop control and consistency. This foundational work is crucial for building good habits and preventing injury as you progress. A standard drum kit typically includes a bass drum, a snare drum, 2 or 3 tom-toms, a hi-hat, and at least one crash and one ride cymbal. Place your snare drum between your knees, slightly angled towards you. Position the hi-hat to your left, easily reachable with your left foot and stick. The ride cymbal usually sits to your right. Adjust your drum throne so your thighs are roughly parallel to the floor, ensuring comfort and proper leverage for your pedals. Start by mastering the basic rock beat, which involves playing the bass drum on beats 1 and 3, the snare drum on beats 2 and 4, and the hi-hat on all 4 beats. Practice this rhythm slowly with a metronome, gradually increasing the tempo. Aim for consistent volume and even spacing between notes. Once comfortable, introduce simple one-bar fills using the tom-toms and snare to add variety. These fills typically occur at the end of a 4-bar phrase. Consistent practice is key to improvement. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused practice each day, breaking it into smaller segments if needed. Use a metronome religiously to develop impeccable timing. Recording yourself playing can provide valuable insight into your technique and musicality, helping you pinpoint areas for refinement. Finally, explore various musical styles, from jazz to funk, to expand your rhythmic vocabulary and versatility as a drummer. Enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.